Being a night shift janitor at a hospital means you see things people are not meant to see. I have a few stories, more than a few, but this one made me quit this job. I was mopping the hallway near the old maternity ward, which had been closed for renovations. The wing was supposedly powerless, yet I heard a rhythmic thump, 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 like a heartbeat. I followed it. I know, stupid. Well, I followed it to room 302. Inside, the room was bathed in a strange, pulsing red light. I saw a woman in an outdated nurse's uniform, and she was standing by an empty bassinet, rocking something I couldn't see. I don't think anything was there. I froze in the doorway, 'cause I know what I was saying. I guess she heard me. She turned around slowly and just stared at me. Her face wasn't normal. It was human, but not. I don't know how else to explain it. I was there for maybe 5 seconds. I couldn't move. Her mouth started to open, and that's when my body turned back on. My legs started running before I could even think. I ran straight for the office. I didn't finish my shift, left my keys on the desk, and I never went back. They called me the next day to ask me what happened, to ask me why I left all of a sudden. I said it was a family emergency. I know how I would have sounded if I told them what I saw. I've never accepted another late night shift at any job ever since.